Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Instagram hashtags for growth in 2025. So if your posts are not getting any reach, new audiences, the right hashtag strategy can boost the visibility and it can also help you to grow faster. So let's learn the steps in this video step by step. So in the first step, you will have to use the niche specific hashtags. So what do I mean by the niche specific hashtags? So let's say if you are in the fashion industry, instead of just typing the hashtag fashion, or if you are in any other industry, instead of just typing the one common crowded hashtag, you just have to always use the niche focused hashtags. For example, in the fashion industry, you can type something like hash, and then you can type something like skincare for beginners. So this way you can use this type of hashtag, and as you can see, it has very less post, which means that the visibility of your content would be high if you use these types of hashtags. Now in the second step, just start using the mix you need to start using the mixture of different hashtag sizes. So there are three types of hashtags. The one that has the millions and millions of posts, so we can say them the large volume of hashtags. Then we have medium, then we have small hashtags. So you should have a mixture of these three different hashtag sizes. So you can keep 3 to 4 large, 4 to 5 medium, and then rest of them should be the small hashtags. Now in the step 3, you need to use 10 to 20 relevant hashtags only. So the maximum limit that is given to you for the hashtag by Instagram is 30, but you need to simply aim for 10 to 20 smart hashtags per post. You can place them at the end of the captions or in the first comment, both works fine. Now you can also add the location based hashtags. So in those 20 collective hashtags, you can put one or two location based hashtags, and you can also just keep on changing them in every post that you made on Instagram. Now you can create 3 to 5 hashtag groups based on your content themes, and again you can just simply start using them again and again in a rotating manner. So this way you will be able to start using hashtags for growth in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.